In today's review, I'll be talking about the Insta360 Ace Pro, a waterproof action camera co-engineered with Leica. I purchased this item because I needed a versatile camera with excellent image quality, especially for outdoor adventures. I like to use this for capturing stunning, slow-motion footage and vibrant HDR shots, whether I'm out in bright daylight or low-light conditions. The 4K 120 frames per second recording, combined with Leica's optics, really makes a difference in image clarity. Some of the key features include the flagship 1 and 1.3-inch sensor, advanced AI noise reduction, and Insta360's flow state stabilization, which ensures smooth shots even in extreme conditions. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen gives you full control over your angles, and the magnetic mounting system makes switching accessories a breeze. So, my final thoughts. If you're looking for an action camera with unbeatable image quality and ease of use, the Insta360 Ace Pro is a fantastic choice. Whether you're into sports or just want top-notch video quality, this camera has you covered.